Founded by Sanjay Shiksha Samiti in 1965, Apex University Jaipur has been rated 3.7 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com. How is BTech at Apex University? Let's find out, starting with placements that has received an impressive overall rating of 4.2 stars. Top recruiters visiting the institution include Airtel, Jio, ICICI Bank, Cisco, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, and Schneider, among others. As per the latest 2024 data, the highest salary package offered for the BTech course was 35 lakh per annum, with a median salary of 15 lakh per annum. The CSE boasts of a higher placement rate with a top offer of 27 lakh per annum. The institution's placement cell ensures students receive 20,000 per month for internships, varying by chosen specializations. BTech at the university is being offered with 5 specializations. In addition to BTech courses, the institution includes 8 schools offering diverse programs in fields such as nursing, pharmaceuticals, agriculture, law, and education. Under the Apex School of Research, doctoral and PhD programs are also available. The qualifying exam to get into the institution is CUET, and the admission to the BTech program is based on a minimum of 45% aggregate in 10+2. The fees for the course differs depending on the specialization chosen. The institution awards merit scholarships based on qualifying exam percentages and sports scholarships to national or state level players, formalizing student acceptance through diverse scholarship programs. Moving on to infrastructure, where students have given a rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. Apex has 9 schools, including AU in Rajasthan, which spans a 30-acre campus located 35 kilometers from Jaipur railway station and 40 kilometers from Jaipur airport, ensuring easy accessibility. AU has various national and international academic partnerships and tie-ups, which give the students valuable exposure to current industry trends. Students find the classrooms and labs to have all the necessary facilities. AU has a dedicated research facility for science and engineering. Centralized library has ample resources, journals, and publications as per students' needs. Separate hostels for boys and girls are also provided, each equipped with all necessary facilities. The cafeteria serves good quality food, but the mess food needs improvement. The sports arena features dedicated areas for football, table tennis, basketball, and cricket, creating a balance between academics and athletics. The campus has well-connected transport facilities for the staff as well as the students, equipped with GPS for route monitoring and surveillance. A separate counseling cell has been set up by the institution to take up grievances of the students. Moving on to the faculty and course curriculum, where the students have given a rating of 4.6 stars. With a faculty to student ratio of 1:20, the institution effectively addresses individual student needs. The faculty at Apex is highly qualified and supportive, delivering well-planned and engaging sessions for students. Curriculum is designed to align with student interests and industry needs, and the exams can be passed given the level of preparation student does. The vibrant campus life has received a rating of 4 stars. A total of 10 student clubs actively organize and host vibrant fests and cultural events throughout the year. Students eagerly await the annual Sports and Techno-Cultural Fest, which serves to be the highlight of the year. Students are happy with management's active involvement in organizing events and fests. Various expert talks, seminars, workshops, and industrial visits are organized for the students to have academic exposure. Apex University is currently unranked in the NIRF rating. For more details on Apex University and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.